Yeah, yeah. I never won the spelling bee. I could read people's energy, listen to what have been said to me. Heard their voices in elementary, that I wouldn't amount to anything. Oh girl, she used to bend to me like if we just had a nice house and a mortgage and a front lawn and a fucking wedding ring. I danced in Paris, shed my shell, swam in oceans, felt the scales. Put my CD in Starbucks, it did not sell. Hit the CD out the car trunk, I did it myself. These piano keys hold some weight. In a bolo tie, I escort my date. Short a shrimp scampi on a porcelain plate. The accordion played, I put my fork in a steak. Afternoons need a copy boost. Attitude needs a confidence boost. Yeah, I'm sort of the dude, but where's the self-esteem when the costume's removed? Thanks for the invite, can't make it. I could blame it on a flight to Vegas, but truth be told, rather not socialize and go and waste my time with an acquaintance. These relationships need maintenance. Everybody got expectations. Text back so impatient. Where were you when I was impatient? Motherfucker, you ain't my accountant. You don't know what I'm doing. Focusing on what I'm giving back. Man, make better music. Fuck preaching on top of the mountain. People can see through it. Keeping my name in your mouth, just don't bite your tongue while you chew it. Exactly. I got the man of the year. Source magazine was like a Vanity Fair. In a mansion, picking out a chandelier, but got a bone to pick with the man in the mirror. Questioning the purchase while I'm standing there. Questioning the purpose of my rap career. Thinking, man, what the hell happened here? Feels like yesterday in a van packing gear. What am I gonna go and get back this year? There's a whole lot of struggling rappers here. Wanna co-sign and a whole track this year. If you don't, motherfuckers start acting weird. Lot of backstabbers and some actors here. Lot of has-beens and overreactors here. I remember laughing and cracking beers. Now I climb the ladder and you're mad I'm here.